Ruth knew that I was the I was the TMOD of the day. He was the only person without me asking. He went ahead and said, Aarti, introduce me. This manner. That is the amount of preparation Anirudh puts in when he does any work. So I'm going to be using Anirudh's introduction. Anirudh is currently working as the head of technology of a stealth startup since March 2020. He also hosts online weekly meetups regarding music, philosophy, and cooking. If the topics that he chose, cooking, philosophy, music, does not tell you how creative a person Anirudh is, listen to his first line of introduction. Head of technology of a stealth startup. I'm still trying to figure out what it is. So that is the level of creativity that Anirudh is capable of. To evaluate Anirudh's speech, I would like to invite distinguished Toastmaster Nurain. If you could read his objectives, Nurain.
Yes, thank you and hi everyone. So Toastmaster Anirudh is pursuing level 1 from the engaging humor path, and this is his project 3, researching and presenting. His objective is similar to what Shankar delivered a little while ago, but just to reiterate, it is to learn or review basic research methods and present a well-organized and well-researched speech on any topic. Good luck, Toastmaster Anirudh.
Thank you so much, Nurain. Toastmaster Anirudh is attending his Engaging Humor Path in Level 1, Project Researching and Presenting. The title of his speech is Unexpected Carries in Tamil Cinema. Unexpected Carries in Tamil Cinema, Toastmaster Anirudh.
Thank you, Toastmaster Aarti, for that wonderful introduction. So, good morning, Miracles and guests. Today, I'm going to talk about unexpected carries in Tamil cinema. So, some disclaimer, since it's Tamil cinema, smoking and drinking is injurious to health. All opinions that I'm sharing are personal, your opinions may differ. So, what does a carry? Carries is the plural of carry. A carry is someone who takes the responsibilities of the team, puts the entire team on his shoulders, and carries them to a victory. It's a video game terminology. That's where the term carry comes from. Now, typically in Tamil cinema, you usually think of the carry as the protagonist. It's usually the hero, the male hero, sometimes maybe a female heroine who does the job. But look at this, and can you tell me that whether either of them can carry a movie? So Udayanidhi might not be a good actor, but I think he's a good producer. So he realized that he'll make someone else as the carry for his movie. Okay. And that was none other than Santhanam. So Santhanam said, now that you have given responsibilities to me, I'll ensure that your movie is well liked by the audience. And Santhanam was made central to the movie. If you have watched the movie, you'll know that the story more or less revolves around Santhanam more than Udayanidhi himself. So this is a very good example of what a carry looks like. So if the audience wants to watch a movie, they watch it only for Santhanam's comedy rather than the main hero's plot. Now, let us talk about some kinds of unexpected carries, right? Some examples. The career saver. I already spoke about this person, Santhanam. So Santhanam is someone whom you approach. If you are a hero, you approach him. If you want to change your character, if you want to change your career path, you approach Santhanam. If you are seen as a chocolate boy and you want to bring out the humor in your career, you pair up with Santhanam. For example, Arya, Boss and Gira Bhaskaran, first movie, second movie, Raja Rani, third movie, Vasum Saranam, Onna Padichavanga. So there is this formula 1, 2, 3 with Santhanam whenever you are acting. If you are an award-winning actor like Karthi, who debuted in Parithi Veeran, and you want to become a commercial hero, all in all, Azhagaraja movie number 1, Sirthai movie number 2, and Shakuni movie number 3. So Santhanam is always the dependable character whom you can partner with and ensure that your movie is a success. So take, for example, a movie called Kalagalappu. The cast was not so very famous. The movie first half was very boring. I went to the theater and watched it. I was wondering why my parents even purchased tickets for the movie. But after the interval, which when Santhanam is even introduced into the movie. So Santhanam and his bunch of goons are just hilarious. His over-the-top acting, his emotional reactions are wonderful. It makes the entire movie, it's the saving grace of the entire movie. It's a perfect example of where someone carries the movie. So next we'll move on to another example, the iconic duo. You know whom I'm talking about, right? Comedians, iconic duo. Definitely not these two. It is these two in the same movie, Karagatakaran. So when Toastmaster Shankar was speaking about Karagatakaran, he never mentioned the hero or the heroine. He spoke about Koundamani's car. So this is where if you might have never watched the movie at all, and you might never even have watched Tamil movies, but all of you know this Vazhaparam joke where Sendil ends up frustrating Koundamani. So they have a very simple formula. So what Sendil usually does is he does something seemingly very smart. Koundamani falls for the trap and Koundamani overreacts while Sendil remains indifferent. So Sendil is indifferent, Koundamani overreacts. Sendil is indifferent, Koundamani overreacts. This is the formula that has worked very well. I don't even know most of the movies where I have watched these comedies, but these comedies have carried the movies across generations. I think it's only because of their wonderful comic pairing. Moving on, there is a comedian who talks about social issues a lot. It's none other than Vivek. Write about migrating into cities, how city life could be, water problems, this Parasakti monologue on how we face a lot of issues. Vivek is someone who has always focused on social issues. But another example would be like the state of Tamil in Tamil Nadu, how a news anchor struggles to read in Tamil. You might not even remember who the hero was in this movie, Alli Thandavanam. But you remember this Vivek comedy very well, where he goes and addresses. So usually Vivek has picked up a lot of success movies, like where the movie is also very good, his comedy is also very good. In Sami, he goes and talks about a lot of social issues in today's society, but this formula got stale after a while. So he partnered with his assistant Selmurugan, and Selmurugan got an even more important role where Vivek started taking up even weirder roles like a comedy don in Padikadavan. In Velailla Patadari, the movie was very good. There was only a brief comedy in the movie, but again, he started introducing new terms like mind voice, speaking it loudly. And then there was the Sangha Pushpam comedy, which he carried over into another movie called Sakala Kalagala Vallavan Appa Takar. In this, Vivek does a double acting where he is the elder brother and the younger brother. The elder brother has two wives, Tangam and Pushpam, while the younger brother is a 50-year-old bachelor. The movie is extraordinarily boring, but yet again, Vivek is introduced in the second half of the movie, which makes it he knocks the ball out of the park with his fantastic over-the-top reactions. So again, Vivek does a great job of carrying this movie. Then, if at all you can think of one master carry, there can be only one person whom I think to be the best. It's none other than, before we get into it. So when I ask you what Friends means, you should be focusing on what I'm talking. If you're saying this is the answer, then you have not been listening to my speech. When I say Friends, you might think, oh, that Vijay Surya Padam, right? I don't think you'll be thinking that way. Whenever I say Friends, it's Vadivel and his comedy scenes that you always recollect, right? So similarly, when I say winner, you shouldn't imagine a Toastmaster with trophies. This is the only winner I want you to remember, where Vadivel does an even more fantastic job than Prashant. So whenever we mention Dubai, we either remember this joke or whether this movie Dubai, where both Vivek and Vadivel do an extraordinary job. So Vadivel is someone, we even forget the hero. For example, this Vama Minnal joke, Sarath Kumar sits next to him, but Vadivel steals the show of the entire movie. When working with someone like Satyaraj, again, Vadivel is the highlight of the movie. So Vadivel works with all these not so very famous heroes and ensures that the movies are successes. Final example, Sundar Si's movies, you know, this building strong, basement big, Nan Raudidan, all those very famous dialogues. I would say Vadivel has been the master carry for many movies. So usually every movie needs both carry and support. Say for example, you know Thillumulu is all about Rajini's fantastic acting, but how would the movie be without Tenga Srinivasan's dominating role where he pushes Rajini to a great extent? For example, you want to people to come and watch a movie about a drug dealing girl. How do you make it interesting? You introduce a comedian and you put out a trailer song which indicates as if the movie is all about a romance between Yogi Babu and Nayantara, but the movie turns out very differently. someone like Kamal Hassan, who is fantastic in acting, who plays the lead role almost everywhere, he also ensures that he gives away a lot of comedy, the responsibility to his supporting actors, be it Delhi Ganeshan or that party, or Urvashi again that party. See, even in Michael Madana Kamarajan, it comes out beautifully. So if you know Sadi Leelavati, your climax scene of Kovai Sarla driving into the courthouse is what you will take away for a very long time. So Kamal Hassan ensures even supporting actors get to steal the thunder. So finally, in Panchadantram, you might think Kamal Hassan is the major role, or you might even think all these 5 actors are the major roles. But to me, if at all I remember Panchadantram, it's these 2 actors. The brief scene with Devanini and Simran's over to the top reactions to Panchadantram. So I believe it's all about carry and support working together. When you, as an audience, if you start thinking who was the carry and who is the support in a movie, then I think the actors have done a fine job of playing the role of a carry. I think that is what makes a movie very interesting to watch about. The support actors have ended up becoming the carry, even if they invoke this question in this way. Thank you all for listening. Over to the TMOD.
Thank you so much, Anil.